Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make this lovely stitch. It's easy to make. It seems a little bit complicated maybe, but it's not. It's just 2-row repeat and easy 2 rows, not complicated 2 rows, okay? Actually 1 row is only double crochet. You can make blankets, bags, maybe headbands, hats, anything with this stitch. Maybe rectangular shawls, scarves. You can use it with smaller size yarns and bigger size yarns. And for this one, I use a category 2 yarn and 3.5 millimeter hook. Again, I'm gonna use a category 2 yarn this time, a wool yarn and 3.5 millimeter hook. If you are ready, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Link is here somewhere below, and we can start now. Start with the slip knot, and for this stitch we will need multiples of 6 plus 4 only one time. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. I made 3 6. I'm gonna add 4 more. You can make it bigger as you like. Just add 6 6 6. Yarn over, skip 1 2 3. Insert into this 4th stitch. Grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. That's a double crochet, and these 3 chains also a double crochet. So we have 2 double crochets. And for this row, we will only make double crochets all along. I'm making the last one. Now chain 3 as a double crochet. Turn. For this row, again, we will make double crochets into each stitch. Skip this first one because we made one. Starting from the 2nd stitch, we are gonna put 1 double crochet into each stitch. I'm making the last double crochet into this 3rd chain. Chain 3, turn. That's the foundation. Now we are gonna start. Into this next stitch, put a double crochet. Chain 5. Now count from here. Okay, 1 2 3 4. Around this 4th post, insert, grab the yarn, make a slip stitch, and turn. Do not turn this way. We are not gonna make it with this way because it will not look as good as this one here. Just turn to the left and keep this yarn on the top of your chains. Now without chaining, insert around these chains, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2. That's a single crochet. We are gonna make totally 7 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we are gonna skip one stitch because when we turn back here we are gonna use this post as a stitch. Skip one, insert into the next, put a double crochet, and into the next put a double crochet. Chain 5. Around this 5th stitch post here, insert, make a slip stitch, turn to the right side, and into here this space put 7 single crochets. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Skip one stitch, into the next 2 put double crochets. We made 2 double crochets. That's all we're gonna do. 2 double crochets, chain 5. Starting from here till the end, okay, we are gonna skip 4 around the 5th post. We will repeat this. Only at the end we will have 3 stitches left, 3 posts left, like we have here. 1, 2, 3, as you know. Skip 1, 2, 3, 4 into the 5th, around the 5th, sorry. Insert and make a slip stitch, turn, make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Skip one stitch, make 2 double crochets, chain 5, around the next post make a slip stitch, turn and make 7 single crochets. Skip one and repeat it one more time. Skip one stitch and make 2 double crochets. Chain 3, turn. Make a double crochet here. Now you see we have single crochet. While we are working, we are gonna fix them, okay? Let's this one looking to the right side and this one will look to the left side. Yarn over. You see this post, single crochet post around it. I'm gonna make a double. You can directly insert into this space too, okay, but it looks good, better with this way. So around this post I made a double. Then I have 2 double crochets, 1, 2. Now fix this. You see that's the stitch we are gonna work, but while I'm inserting this, I'm gonna this time I will not make it around the post. Okay, I'm gonna insert into stitch, but I'm gonna insert and grab this posts one strand, then the stitch. Let me show you one more time. Just hold it this way and insert here. Okay, that's all actually. And it will look to the left side with this way. Make 2 double crochets. I like to show you this. If you directly insert into this space or here, make 2 double crochets and again insert into this space. Oops. It will look like that now, but when you keep working, it will fix itself. I think that will work too. You see, I haven't blocked it or I haven't used any iron steam, anything. That's natural look, and at first it looks a little bit funny. But it will not keep going with this way. Now I'm gonna insert around this post, make a double, make 2 doubles. Just hold this and insert here. Make a double. I'm gonna show you one more time. That's the first stitch. Second one is a little bit hard to see the second one, but it's here. Make a double crochet around the post. 1, 2, and hold this. Make a double. Then make 2 more double crochets. And that's our first repeat row. Now we are gonna make the second one. Chain 1, 2, 3. That's not the repeat row, okay? Because we are gonna insert a different place right now and we will keep doing this. Make a double. Chain 5. You see these 2 double crochet, we are gonna insert in between them from here. Okay? Insert here. Grab the yarn. Make a slip stitch. Turn. 1, 2, 3. Seven. Skip 1. Make 2 double crochets. Chain 5. And then again, I'm gonna insert from the same place. Make a slip stitch, turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, skip 1, 2 doubles. I'm gonna show you one more time. Insert and make a slip stitch, 7 single crochets, skip 1, make 2 double crochets, chain 5, insert same place, skip 1, make 2 double crochets. Now I will complete here. I'm at the end, skip 1, make 2 double crochets. Chain 3, turn, we are at the beginning again. Okay, we are gonna repeat these 2 rows. Make a double, just fix it around this post, make a double, 2 doubles, fix it, insert here, make a double, 2 more doubles. And that's all we are gonna repeat. I think it looks better with a wool yarn, but you can decide. I hope you like this tutorial. If you like, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Sirin's Crochet is my Instagram address, it's also my website address, and Etsy, Pinterest, Ravelry, you can find me anywhere you want. That's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day. Bye.